Well, if you're new to the channel, it's a warm welcome. Where have you been? I just realised what it's done. I was using this as a starting. What a muppet. So I was using that garage as a start, and it has, I wasn't sure of where to go, but I forgot to use it as a start. Thought I'd use it as a start because if I am organising a run, then it's good for to get something to eat, and obviously you can get fuel. Simple. So this is the route that I have set. We're now on it, and this would be the GPX file, which if you have downloaded it or if you're thinking of downloading it, this is where it's going to take you. So I'm not going to do the full route because it's about 7.5 hours, but I'm going to see where it takes me, what it does. So this is Denadri. So what does it look like? Well, there you are. Little bridge, and I believe there's plenty of fish in it. On we go. Don't you look well, Skip? Well, definitely at this speed, it's going to take a long time to get around this. Kenny seemed to get comfortable today. I don't know what it is. So after coming at the end of the road here at Denadri, then we're close to Parkgate, and I think we're heading over towards Parkgate to our first mountain peak. So off to the right, you can see Carmoney Hill. Further across would be the Cave Hill. We're going right, and then we're going left. This is the M2 motorway we're crossing over the top of, going into Parkgate. It's been a long time since I've been up this road. Grass on the edge of the road is like ice, I believe. If you hit grass that's on the road, on a corner, it's all been cut, freshly cut. I believe it's like ice on the roads. Now at the end of the road we're going left here, but if you went right it would take you down into Doak village. And if you were to stay on this road, it'll take you into Ballymena. This is up through towards Kells. Now one of the reasons why I'm wearing my high vis today is because I'm on my own, and I really want to make sure that I'm seen by other motorists. Just my suspension. There's lots of gravel on the road here. Holestone. See what the view's like from up here. Look at that. Gorgeous. We're coming into Kilbride. Well, so far so good with the route. We're heading down to Ballyeason. Carnley Road. Well, let's see what this brings. Have to watch out for speeding cars. Class. That's a really good road. Now, some people might like to speed along here. I'm always trying to be aware of the dangers. Not trying to set any records. This is the Ballyrashee Road. It certainly looks like we're doing a wee bit of crisscrossing today. Now if you ever see a cone like that in the road, what it means is there's tractors in that field. So what is obvious with this route is there's plenty of twisties, nice biking Depends on what you like as far as biking. This do like this. I'm going to be stopping, as I said, for pictures, so it's going to be a wee bit longer than usual. We got a wee picture of that there from the helmet cam. Certainly plenty of work going on this road. This is a great road. Nice big mountain top. I was up here with Marty and his brother one day. Lost my water bottle. I think we'll go for the full comfort riding mode. Starting to get a bit windy. It's definitely bumpy. Look at that for a view. Now, last time I was up here, there's some massive holes in the road, so you need to keep your eyes open. And the sort of holes that if your front of your bike went down in, you're coming off. Get ready for a view. This road runs straight on, right round, all the way down, and then right down in there. Absolutely fabulous. I've passed this guy twice, there's going to be a third time. Some breathtaking scenery up here. So this is Mountain 1 of the wee challenge. Sure, when you leave your door line open. Sheep. What's that, sir?
It'll take us a minute or two just to get these.
Oh, there's no hurry. Absolutely no hurry. I'm not out. I'm not looking to go anywhere quick today. I'm just out for the view, enjoying the
Nice
countryside.
view up here anyway.
What's that?
A nice view up here.
Love it. It's only the second time I've been up this way, but
Right.
absolutely stunning.
Oh no, it's nice. And then you find things like this in the middle of the road.
Do you know, it doesn't bother me. The only thing is sometimes it's a bit if you see the muck on the road,
Aye, well that, there's cattle down. And
Aye,
there's cattle come down before us.
you just need to have your wits about you, that's all.
And you can see that. That's a nice bike.
Right, thank you very much.
Oh, that's very
It's
nice.
a heavy big brute.
I would think that. That's 1200 that.
It is, it is.
Oh,
It's all plastic, of course, and you take all that off,
aye, for the fair
you
and
sort of slim down. The cost of these are probably the price of the bike.
stuff. Aye, I would think.
Have a good day, sir. This is what you need. You need a bike. You need a bike. You can herd them rightly. So I'm just out doing it's a wee route I set out. It's called the Mountain Peak Challenge, just to see how many mountains I can hit on the one day. A wee bit of mint sauce and you'll be all right. Hopefully you're not walking these to Ballycastle.
Is that where you're heading?
No, I have no idea. Well, after a very long 4 mile an hour ride, I think we're sort of coming to the end of sheep on the road. Lovely, friendly people. That's me away. Cheerio! So after our encounter with the sheep, as you can see the roads, type of roads that we're on. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it. You can keep Spain and all the rest of it. Our roads are just, it's not just the roads, it's the greenery, the scenery. People are probably very friendly in Spain and Greece and all the rest of it. My heart's definitely here. I've travelled around the world, not on bikes of course, but seen different places. Well, as much as yes, we have some crappy roads. I'm not gonna deny that. So talking about why the GPX files didn't work properly when I uploaded them to the BARNI Facebook page, it's simple. When you create a name for your route, it will, once you save it to your computer or wherever, the name does not have, it has spaces in between. So when you save it to your computer, it has spaces in between. So if you're gonna, today would be Mountain Peak Challenge Pt1, but I tried to upload it and it didn't upload, and I couldn't understand why it didn't work on my sat nav. So I'm back into it and just put the dash, so it would be Mountain dash Peak dash Pt1 dash data dot GPX. So obviously it didn't put the dashes in, so I done that and uploaded it a second time, and hey presto, I'm now doing it. So if you are using the Kruger or Cougar .de to plan your route, that's what you have to do when you save it to your desktop or to your Mac or your PC. So out on my own, and I've nobody to please but myself. I've been speaking to my wife, speaking to a couple of farmers, seeing a couple of sheep. So this route can be followed very simply by going to the Biking Adventures and Routes Northern Ireland BARNI page and downloading it to your own place. I don't know what is wrong with me today because I feel a bit stiff in my riding. So we're heading out towards Ballykeel and have to run this guy down. So that would be Ballymena down there. Oh, little stone under the back wheel. Thought we slip. There you are, Ballymena out to the right. Ballymena. So Penny Bridge, Ballymena. Time is it? 1 o'clock. Let's find somewhere to sit and get something to eat. So we're cutting right through Ballymena. This little road here will take us, we've deviated off our normal route down to a hotel which I love playing at, which is of course Tully Glass House Hotel. Safe parking too. Yeah, they have security on at night as well. So there's a wedding on today. Obviously the bride and all's here, bridesmaids, as you can see, all looking beautiful. Big fountain to the side, lovely hotel. I'm not sure how many rooms they have. There's probably well over 100 anyway, and I believe there's going to be a lot more added to the hotel. What they've done with this hotel over the years is just absolutely incredible. It goes away around the side, and then there's some gardens to the side, and then there's a smoking area around there. The balcony of it, I don't know if there's the wedding rooms or whatever. But as you can see here, it's absolutely stunning. It's great. well paved, plenty of seating, plenty of areas. Staff are second to none, absolutely, just fabulous. So that's the view of the hotel as you go into it. Okay, they've got garden areas all the way down here. It's all, there's plenty places for pictures. They normally have a couple of old cars which sits here as well, but now obviously they must be moved to allow for all the comfortable seating. A couple of big lands, and then behind them gates, of course, there's a garden area as well. Plenty of places for pictures. So let's go a wee bit further. This is Tullyglass in Ballymena. So we're heading away from Ballymena. Sun is definitely out. In fact, it is toasting. I stopped at Ballymena. I'm glad to get my jacket off for a while. So we're back on to the Mountain Peak Challenge Pt1. Just got messages there from the other riders who are on the other ride out today, and looks like there was a really good turnout. I think everybody's having fun. Good to go. Ballybolin Road. I certainly don't want to be staying out all day because I do want to go home. I want to see my wife. She couldn't come out with me today. Looking after the children. So I thought I'd be selfish and go out on my own. I would do it. The roads are really, really good. So at the minute there's nothing that I can safely say that I didn't want to be on. Would this be one I want to do again? Absolutely. It'd be nice to do this with a group. Also during the week I have as you can hear from my voice, it's a very bumpy bit of the road. I'm doing a midweek run. Jeepers creepers, I feel like a motocross rider here. This wee garment doesn't move very quickly. You could be around a bend and up a road and have to turn around again. I'm going to adjust up my suspension again. I'm going to go for comfort all the way. And that wee Land Rover is running very close to the edge. It's got to throw up some stones. Through the trees. And we're going left. Taylorstown Road. Welcome to Grange. That must be Loughney up ahead. 17.5. It definitely feels a lot warmer inside these jackets. Well, if this is the type of roads that you like, you don't need to be in Spain or Greece. You just come to Northern Ireland or Ireland. Equally as good a roads down south. Until I actually plan a route to get myself across the border, you'll have to settle for the roads up north. Plenty of them there is. Well, if you're new to the channel, it's a warm welcome. Where have you been? My channel will be about all the routes, places, eating houses, bike meets that I can find and I can go to. And if you've never been to Northern Ireland or Ireland, plan a wee trip, you'll not be disappointed. And if you want to, send me a message, private message, let me know when you're coming, and I'll possibly come with you if I'm not working. Definitely the way to see this country is in the day you see it, like today. That big church spire. That is without doubt the day when it shows its finest. But if you don't mind riding in the rain, we get plenty of that too. Come ahead. You'll still have a great time. Well, going left will take you to Ballymena, going right will take you into Toom. Tagmanac Moor Road. Well, if you're new to the channel, it's a warm welcome. Where have you been? Well, if you're new to the channel, it's a warm welcome. Where have you been? Big old loose gravel. Loose gravel. Well, these are the wee type of roads I'm not keen on, I'm not fond on. They are good, but it'd be nice to know that nobody was coming flying at you. Well, it definitely was some crisscrossing back and forward there. You don't actually, you really can't get the speed up on that one there. Some of the wee roads just had a lot of gravel in the middle. I have road tyres on, and I was quite up a wee bit there because I can't really get much cool wind into my gear. The sun glaring on my screen. So it's after 2 o'clock. This is going to run us into Bridge. There's been a massive amount of work going on down here, changing the roads. It's fantastic now. Long time coming. Maybe if our stupid government would stop fighting and do something with the infrastructure, it might work better for all the people. But this channel is not about being political or anything else. And we're into Old Toom, which is TOOME. Well, this certainly shows that the GPX file does work for the Mountain Peak routes, part 1. When I get to the next mountain top or peak, I think I'll wrap it up and head home. So this is the River Ban, so you can see there. On this side here there used to be a big army base, and you used to see the heard banging there. Used to see the army get up and down in boats. McCloy's sell a lot of guns and bits, pieces. Can't even talk. So we're never really on a main road for any length of time before we're on a side road. So this was set to curvy. So this was a curvy route. So go stuck behind sheep, now I'm behind a tractor. Whoopie doo. I'm being battered by insects. Okram. Waterfoot Road to the left. Woohoo! Really nice road surface on this. It's so surprising. You drive into one area, you've got one set of flags, drive into another area, you're only literally a mile up the road from each other. And you have another set of flags. But let's look at it another way. If you were thinking of coming to this place, they have no idea who I am. Do they care? No. Must be a party going on here. Well, a quad party. So we're definitely crisscrossing the country here. It's well, this certainly is a bit of an adventure. I think the next time I do it, I'll be doing it maybe just not as curvy.